Leave it.
Wow. Wow.
Fucking leave it. How am I going to get that out?
The car's under it. Put it outside.
Oh, she wants it. Only time.
Go.
Go and give her sweeties. Take her out of here. Leave that in here. Shut the door. No, don't do that. No,
She's caught it though. It's only a baby.
Yeah.
Put it down, put it down. No, she won't go outside. Alright. Mom. Run. No. Go. Stay there, don't come in. Put it down.
Life goes up and it goes down.
I need to
I
grab
know my
you.
mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown.
Put it down, Mom.
Before the clock runs
Put it down.
Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something.
Go down.
Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa.
Don't.
But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa.
Great. No, you're staying. Stop with the vocal cords, because nothing's going to happen. Non-stop. Let go of the mouse.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrow.
Right.
This is a mistake.
Got
I know
it.
about tomorrow.
No.
I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't really need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the
Yeah, it's dead. It's
or
still dead.
maybe we're just in the
That's
end
Luna.
of the road.
Take these flannels.
Right now it doesn't
No, we need a bit of card.
Cardboard or
It's too
board?
late not to let it
Like
go.
thin to put underneath and it can go outside.
And then carry
We
her
should
outside.
have been
I don't know if we can do it. You need to get the cow.
to get dressed and then we cry.
Trying to
Cause we both know it's gonna hurt.
Do you mean to
Not
do
as
it?
much as this does. We had
Oh,
a
no.
good run. No one said we didn't.
How are we going to do
I was
this?
your
I
first
put Ron
love.
upstairs because otherwise she's gonna come running in.
She's all the
No,
memories,
let
the
her
venom
in.
and the
Let her in.
remedy.
No,
Right.
because she's gonna come and
Promise I
batter
won't
you for it.
forget.
She bit me for
That's
it.
got a lip on it. I need something flat.
Or maybe
Even a piece of paper or
just
something.
the end of the road. Right
Lulu?
now it doesn't even matter.
It was Luna that got it.
It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I
Yeah, they've killed it. Poor thing.
wish you the best and say
No, you're not having it. I'm not having guts all over the floor.
start to get dressed and then we cry. Cause we both know it's gonna hurt.
Lips.
But not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why.
Well done.
Big effort,
You
that
gotta leave me here
one.
tonight.
Do you need to take it
Before
outside?
we make this even worse,
You need to take it down the end of the garden.
Okay.
We gave it up, we had its time to say bye, baby,
Yeah.
bye. I'll be,
Just release
you'll
it.
be,
You can't release it, it's
yeah,
dead, but
we'll
just
be
put it down the end of
fine.
the garden somewhere.
So let's call it a night.
Lulu?
That's why I
Lulu, good
wish
girl.
you the best
Good
and say
girl.
goodbye.
Probably died of fear.
We
Yeah.
start to get dressed and